In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open an Excel file in Google Sheets. If you have a spreadsheet saved as an Excel file and want to edit, share, or collaborate on it online, converting it into Google Sheets is quick and reliable. I'll walk you through the exact steps and share a few tips to make the process smooth. Once you're in a Google Sheet, look to the very top left of the screen. Click the File menu, then choose Import. This opens the Import File window, which is where you'll bring your Excel file into Google Sheets. Think of this as the gateway that tells Sheets what to bring in and how to place it. In the Import window, click the Upload tab. You'll see a space that says you can drag a file here. Find your Excel file on your computer and drag it into that window. If it's easier, you can also use the file picker in the same area to browse to the file instead of dragging. Supported Excel formats, like xlsx and .xls, will work fine. If your file is large, give it a moment to upload. You'll see a progress indicator while it transfers. After the file finishes uploading, you'll be asked how you want to import it. Choose the option labeled Insert New Sheet. This tells Google Sheets to place the contents of your Excel file into a brand new tab within your current spreadsheet, leaving anything else in your file untouched. It's a safe choice that avoids overwriting existing data. When you've selected Insert New Sheet, click Import Data. Google Sheets will process the file and then create a new tab along the bottom of your screen with the imported content. At this point, your Excel file is fully converted into a Google Sheet. You can edit cells, apply formulas, share the file, and collaborate in real time. Basic formatting, values, and many common formulas usually come across accurately. If the original Excel file used very advanced features or specialized formatting, review the imported sheet to make sure everything looks right. Scanning column widths, date formats, merged cells, and charts can help catch small differences that sometimes occur during conversion. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. Keep a copy of the original Excel file as a backup, especially if it's important or complex, and consider renaming the new Google Sheet to match your project so it's easy to find later. That's all there is to it. Using File, Import, Upload, Insert New Sheet, and Import Data gets your Excel file into Google Sheets in just a few clicks.